What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2022 Toyota Tacoma that we're going to be doing a full ceramic tint. We'll be using GeoShield Pro Nano ceramic film today, lifetime warranty. We're going to go 50% on the windshield, 15% on the front, and then we're going to do 50% over the factory, 27%. So that's going to turn it into about 13.5%. And then it has the 3 windows here with the power slider. Pretty straightforward tint job. The windshield, there's not a lot of space on the sides right here, so we'll have to navigate that and cut it nice and close. That way we're not fighting it when we're installing it. But other than that, let's go ahead and tint a Tacoma. And you already know what time it is. It's time for a ghost. We got to be caffeinated before we do this ceramic tint job. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Get your energy drink, your coffee, your water, your protein shake, whatever you're into, so you can enjoy the rest of this ceramic tint video. And this is just a tint calculator that I use. That way I can make sure that we're putting the right percentage of film on there. And here's the rear windows right here, along with the rear door windows. I'm going to go ahead and cut these on the plotter. I did extend them out an extra 1/4 of an inch, so that way they'll go nice and deep past the seal. So we'll go ahead and hit cut and put our plotter to work here. And here's our big piece of film here. We got the passenger side rear glass, the middle, and the driver's side, along with the driver's side rear door window and passenger side front door window. It's hard to see, but I'm gonna weed out all this excess so you'll be able to see what the windows look like. And right here, I'm just weeding this pattern out. And man, I've got this blade dialed in. It just peels off like butter. It's so nice. And after all this excess is peeled off, we have our rear window right here. And then we'll go ahead and get the rear door windows. And man, just having that plotter makes it so much easier. You waste less material. You don't cut on the customer's car. And it just makes the tinting process a whole lot better. So super happy with that Graphtec plotter. And there we go, rear door windows. All right, so I got the back windows all tinted. The patterns fit perfect. I didn't really film it because it's super tight quarters in here. But that's 50% over the factory. And then right here, I've got the rear door. I've got a airbag right here to kind of lean this door panel back. And we got towel over the door panel. That way we don't get it all gross and stained. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this window and stick on that film. And just installing the tint on this rear door window right here. We're just getting it slide in, all lined up on that top edge. And then we'll go ahead and squeegee it all on there. And these rear windows came out awesome. This Tacoma wasn't too bad to tint. Everything came out really good. All right, so this Tacoma got the dealership special here. So I'm gonna remove this cheap dyed film. We'll put some premium ceramic film over it. Yeah, so I didn't check, and the customer didn't even realize that they had a 35% dyed film on here. So I got that rear window and rear doors done in like no time. And then I got ready to do the front doors, and I was like, oh no, there's tint on here. So what I thought was going to take a couple hours ended up turning into all day. And then on top of that, my steamer that I used to take the tint off, it tripped the breaker, and then my breaker wouldn't reset. So here's that clip right here. And my steamer tripped the breaker and it won't reset. So I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get a new breaker so I have power to my garage. So I'm gonna make a quick Home Depot trip and you'll get some bonus footage in this video how to replace the circuit breaker. All right, so we're in the dark here. We gotta remove this. I got the power shut off. And then I'm using a insulated screwdriver just in case. So we'll go ahead and take this out. All right, so I've removed the old circuit breaker. And it will not reset. So went to Lowe's, got a new one. So we're gonna put that back in here. Slide that right in there. There we go, that's good. We'll get our red wire in there. And I'm using an insulated screwdriver, just on the off chance I get zapped. Okay, good. All right, and we get our black in there. Okay, so we've just replaced our circuit breaker. I'm gonna turn it all back on. And then if you're ever like, oh, I don't have a main power in my box, It's always going to be by the meter. I'll turn that on right there. Okay. Okay, so it looks like our garage light is on. Let's go ahead and turn on our lights. Oh, good. Yep, so now we have power again. We just had to replace the broken surge protector. All right, so this driver's side, it just left so much glue behind even with all the steam. So we're gonna have to use some adhesive remover to get all that glue off the window. So unfortunately we went from bad to worse here. That passenger side door steamed right off, but then of course we had the circuit breaker issue and then a bunch of glue left behind. So man, this was a longer than expected tint job for sure. You have to get every little speck of glue on there. One little thing ruins the tint, so you have to just clean and clean and scrape, make sure it's perfect so the tint looks as good as possible. All right, we got our 15% window tint loaded up on the Graphtec, and I've extended the bottom edge 1/4 of an inch, so we're nice and deep past the seal. So I'll go ahead and cut that and put this thing to work. And finally, after all that tint removal and adhesive removal, we can finally put this 15% ceramic film on these front doors. And those digi-cut patterns, they just fit so good. That top edge is perfect, the sides are perfect, and this door window looks amazing. And that's a wrap for this 2022 Toyota Tacoma. So we didn't get to the windshield today. The customer's coming back for some PPF on the headlights, so we'll do the windshield then. Between my circuit breaker going out and removing the old film, it just wasn't happening today. But we did 15% on the front doors and then 50% over the factory rear tint on the rear doors and rear windows here. So let's take a look around and see how it looks. All right, and this back window is a little bit darker. Man, 15% is a good tint. Now it's gonna look lighter because my garage is super bright. And we got a nice clean windshield. And here's that door window. Looking really good. So when you get in the vehicle, you can see it looks a little bit darker, but nothing crazy. So 15 is a good mix of privacy and visibility. And of course, we got to do the customer right. Microfiber towel, tint safe invisible glass, aftercare instructions, lifetime warranty, Starbase Wraps air freshener, and a personalized thank you card. And just look, this interior is not all gross and all wet. We covered everything up. So it's gonna smell amazing in here. In fact, let me move this rear view mirror so we can look at that beautiful rear tint right there. There we go. All right. And on our tint meter here, we've got 98.1% of infrared heat rejection. So that's really, really good. And as you can tell, that 50% really turned that factory 27 right into 16. So these two windows are gonna perfectly match. And that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay tuned to all the future Starbase Wraps videos. I have a Cybertruck being dropped off tomorrow, and we're going to do a satin black wrap on that. I'll have a video out by the end of the week, wrapping that Cybertruck all out. Have you guys been seeing a lot more Cybertrucks on the road? I've been seeing them everywhere lately. And it's been about a year since I did the last Cybertruck. And then last week we did the previous wrap, and then we got another wrap. So a lot more Cybertrucks are coming on. I think people are starting to buy them. But this Tacoma came out great. And we'll catch you on the next Starbase Wraps video.